Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. They've got for you a cracking Ducati Supersport S. So this is the top of the range model with the Ohlins front and rear. So 937cc Testastretta engine, and they come with loads of nice little bits and pieces on this. So you've got the LED daytime running light, you've got 3 power modes, you've got Quickshifter, traction control, adjustable ABS. And this one's got a really sweet sounding Delkevic on there as well. We do have the standard pipe if it's not your thing, but it's a gorgeous bike. Registered in December 17, and it is a one owner. I'll show you the dashboard there. It's full digital dash, it's cool. 6,997 miles, and it's a 2017 on a 67 plate, which you will see there when you go around the back. Got the seat cowl on there. Gorgeous, gorgeous bike. Single-sided swing arm. 937 cc's. We'll let you hear that now. 1 second. Oh, that does sound absolutely gorgeous. Like I say, we do have the standard pipe if that's not your thing. So come on down to Jordanbikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.